Hello everyone, welcome to Alphasauna. This is Tina. Today I'm glad to show our companies to you. We are sauna product manufacturers in China, and our main products include kinds of sauna rooms, wooden hot tub, and sauna accessories. Second, we can also provide OEM and ODM service to help you put your own logo on your product. Number one, we have the most styles and the most innovative design in China. About the sauna accessories, we have the 300 styles for your options, and include our sauna bucket, wooden ladle, hygo and thermometer, sand timer, backrest, pillow, and etc. And all of this, we have the several material for your option, include our cedar, hemlock, plywood, and our small material, and all of it with the FSC certifications. Number three, we also have the 5-star elevation guarantee. We take more care about the details during the productions and pay more attention about the quality so as to provide a good quality product and reduce our customers' after sales worry. Please feel free to contact us if you have any interest in our products or if you have any good idea about the new products. We also love to help you make it come true. And thank you for watching.